So this video is going to be short, sweet, and right to the point, but it is also one video in a series of videos about the Kratky method. So make sure you check out this playlist here for more information about the Kratky method. I've also made a free downloadable PDF guide that you can get in the description box below or right here. And that's a great resource for you moving forward with your Kratky gardening. So let's get right into this one. We've discussed regrowing your kitchen scraps before, but today in this video I want to give you a crash course on not just how to regrow your produce, but how to add your produce to your garden. Okay, now when propagating your plants, you simply just cut off what you're going to use, what you're going to eat, and then you take the little rooted part and you place it in a little water until you start to see roots develop. This usually will take about 2 to 3 days, and you want to make sure you're changing that water out every day. That's not the Kratky method. That's just a way that we're going to stimulate regrowth in the plants. After that, we're going to set up a Kratky garden. And we're going to do that as follows. First, we're going to get a jar or a jug, maybe like a juice container or a mason jar, and we're going to fill it with the appropriate amount of nutrient water. Use this ratio right here. All of this information is also in that free downloadable guide for you too. All right, so after we've put the nutrient water in the jar, then we've put the plant in the collar, put it in the jar, set it under some light, and make sure we're not getting light directly on the nutrient water itself. The next step is do nothing. Now we just let it grow. This is passive gardening. You have to do nothing. You can trim off your chives as they grow and let it just keep growing until the water is completely gone, and then you can decide whether you want to scrap that one and start a new one, or you can move that to a larger garden and let them keep going even more. The beauty of propagating using the Kratky method is you're just moving this plant from one vessel of water where it's grown its roots to another vessel of water where it's optimized and it can start to live its life, and it's going to start to regrow beautifully. You're going to start to see produce that I bet looks better than the produce that you bought in the store initially. That's been one area where I've been really surprised with taking like my chives or my celery and regrowing it in a Kratky garden. I actually get better produce than I got the first time when I bought it from the store. So for those of you who are wondering, like, where is my garden? Where are all my Kratky plants? Where is everything I have to show you as far as what I'm doing? Well, we left our house about a month ago, and my family and I hit the road in our RV. We're traveling all around the West Coast, up north, and back around to Colorado. Then we're actually going to be moving to Maui, Hawaii. So I had to leave my garden behind. However, I have this closet behind me that I plan on turning into a really cool hydroponic closet garden, doing a whole series on that. That's going to be started next week. I will be doing a lot of really cool gardens. I plan on lining the whole side with Kratky gardens, doing a really cool DWC, a tower garden in there. I'm going to put a window in it. It's going to be really cool. Make sure you check out humblegrowthhydroponics.com for more resources, more great guides, and also that's where I'm going to be answering comments and emails. So let's keep growing together, guys. See you in the next video.